Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. I want to share with you the gold analysis live. Now, what the gold is doing right now, it is very interesting to see, and this is a very high probability that this pullback is now about to end, and the market is expected to break and expected to be going 2 or 3,000 pips above this level. But what is important? It is only possible if this low is not broken. And now, what do we want? This is the low of the market. This is the high of the market. If market breaks this high to the upward, it will be going. Though it won't go straight. It is the fashion of the moving of the forex and gold especially, up and down, but this is the very important level. Now, what kind of are we expecting the move? So I want to show you here that is expected to be retested for the uptrend. Now, the minutes level has been support here for 15 minutes time frame, then broke it to the downward, then here it was resistance, support. Once this level is broken to the upward, the gold will be going upward. But first, it is high probability that this level will be retested. 4,603 to whatsoever you say, it is the high probability of retesting of this level from the downward. So, what kind of buy or sell options do we have? Gold reaches this level, the buy. This is not any financial advice. This is my analysis. Now you also can analyze by your from 4,602 or 3 stop loss below this wick. Now this is below this is the stop loss. So this is the entry, this is the stop loss, this is the first trade, and this is high probability that then gold is expected to break this. If this works, if it is broken to the downward and this is broken, then this will we won't be able to call this a pullback. Then it is quite a reversal. But when we can call this reversal? Now let us move to the monthly time frame. What will decide this as a reversal? Now, for the confirmation of the reversal, we need to break the low of this month. What is the low of this month? If the low of this month is broken to the downward, the low of this month is 4,309. If this level is broken to the downward, this is according to my analysis, then it is officially a reversal. But as this says, this is the retest of the monthly engulfing. This month went too high, broke this to the upward. You will see no month has such a range as this month has. So if the low of this month survives, still it is a bullish trend. This is just a pullback. Now I wanted to explain it, that what will I call a pullback, what will I call a reversal. So now we need to watch more time frames. On the 4-hour time frame, let us watch this on the 4-hour time frame. Now watch this. While coming down, these are the 4 hour strong 4 hours having wick to the downward, and both the 4 hours has not filled their wicks. So this is an excellent support. Now only retest is remaining. I think it will be retested because gold doesn't uh, keep things prices without a retest. This is the gold special moving way. So now if you want to take the buy, anyone can take the buy. This is the best level to buy from. And for sale and buy, another buy if the upward, then it is a buy, nice buy. But after this buy, from anywhere it will fall, maybe from this level. I am expecting it will come back again to retest that level also. Now let me show you, if the gold goes somewhere here, anyway after this breakout to the upward, it will come down either here, but it will come down to retest this level. Once this level is retested and it will go up, then it is high probability that this level will also be broken to the upward, and gold will be going up for 2000 pips, 3000 pips, whatsoever you could expect. Because pullbacks, as pullbacks are stronger, so is the trend. As you could see the, now we can compare this with the previous pullback. Where was the pullback? I want to show you here. This was the pullback. How strong was the pullback? And now see the trend. What strong trend? Same way, I am expecting higher trend than previous pullback. Now, what has happened here? This was the low of the market. This was the high of the market. And before that, this was the low and this was the high. And this was not broken for the first time. When after retest, market came and broke this level to the upward. Same kind of situation is developed on the 4-hour time frame. We see that now we're not able to see the exact same scenario. If we see this, if this was the high of the market, this was the, what do we call that? If we call this low and this high, then the market will come back from this low also. And once again, it will break upward. Currently, the market is range. So anyway, the pullbacks are the sign of a strong bullish trend if it maintains. Now, level that we have 4,309. In the pullback that was broken to the downward, but if you want to see this level, I have been with this level. I have once upon I had earned too much from this level. This has been a nice level on the 4-hour time frames. Now I want to show you this importance of this level. 4,309, 4,308. Now this is the level we want to see this in the past. Okay. Let me remove this. It will be confusing us. This will be confusing us. Now I want to keep just, I want to remove all this. Now this level I want to show you. This is the level. Here on the 4-hour time frame, resistance and support. From this we can expect the retest once again after the trend, a strong retest at somewhere here, even after 2 to 3,000 moves upward from after the breakout of this high. What is the high here? Let me assess what was the high here. High is 4,602. What is here? High is here 4,595. Here 5,600. Somewhere it is below it, and somewhere it is different brokers. It is different, but as this is the chart, I have put the level accordingly. So it will be somewhere here. That is again be it is expected to be retested. Something like this pullback, very strong pullback, but this level is broken in the upward. It will be very volatile, and it will be going up for 2 to 3,000 pips upward. This is the way gold moves. Now I'm discussing this level 4,003, 4,309. So this was the condition here. Now we see here, as it was broken. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we have 4,260 on the 4 hour time frame. We must see this level also once again, because this is the level that we have here. It was not even touchable after broken 2 times. It was the all-time high, and back from 4,381 somewhere here from. So this gold is above this level. This low is above this level. So once, for the first time, we are watching this level here. Gold could not touch it, and currently it is the pull level. Now I think we must see this on the daily time frame. The daily time frame. Now let us move to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, here we have this level. Now here, see what is support here, resistance here. This was above this all-time high. Now it is being pulled back, came to this level. Once again, we are moving to the current prices on the 4 hour time frame. I removed the retest level, and I want to show you that is on the 15 minutes time frame. We can watch it. Is gold going back from here, not retesting this level? As this high is completed, gold will come to for I think so. Looks like that it is going up from here, but gold moves such a way that it deceives the traders. Here it is expected to be retested. This is just my analysis can happen, but I want to share with you my analysis that I'm considering this as a pullback. And pullbacks are healthy for trends, but they are very strong. When the market is falling down for a pullback, we don't need to take any trade until it has strong bullish. Without that, taking a trade is not a good sign, because pullbacks are very strong. It is very important to know, to have understanding of the market. So now I'll be leaving right. If you want to know something about, share in the comments, like my this live analysis, subscribe my channel, and if you want to share your thoughts, your ideas, uh, let me know in the comments, and also share my this live analysis. So if you want to share your thoughts here, and if you haven't seen previous analysis, you could see it from the beginning. And then if you have any comments, you could ask me about all this. And if you want to ask something right now, I can repeat it also for you. You once again my complete analysis of the gold and the buy sell levels and the importance of levels, especially this level. I the importance of this level I have shared in this analysis. See it from the beginning of this level, and what does it mean? What will it be meaning of breaking of this level to the upward? And it is high probability that this level will be retested once again. So anyway, if you want to discuss with me, please let me know something in the comments. Bye for now. I'll become analysis or live for another. Bye for now.